In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Google Wallet in store. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Google Wallet offers the option for you to do contactless in-store payments, where you will be able to use your phone to issue a payment. So this will be set up inside of the Google Wallet app. So download the latest version of Google Wallet. This is what the icon looks like, and then open it up. Make sure that you are signed into your Google account, and if you haven't already added a card, then choose the option here. If you already have a card added, then you can skip ahead in the video. But if you tap Add Card, you will be given the two main ways of adding a card. The first one will be scanning it with your camera, so this will automatically fill out the necessary information such as the card number, expiration date, and security code, or you can choose the option to add them manually, so this will bring up the keyboard so you can type them. It doesn't matter which option you pick, just make sure that all of the necessary details are properly filled out. Once all of the details about a credit or debit card have been set up and the card is validated, you will see this message: card is ready to tap to pay. If you want additional instructions, tap the option here, how to tap to pay. This will give you the instructions and the process, but basically you enable NFC capabilities on your phone and you physically place it near the card reader. If you tap got it, you will be redirected back to the home screen. And like I said in the beginning of the video, whenever you see this icon, it means that contactless payments are allowed. So now, with the card selected, by swiping to the left and to the right, you will be able to issue a payment with the card that is selected or highlighted in the middle of the screen. So if you have multiple cards, swipe to the left and to the right until you select it, and physically place your phone near the card reader. If needed, go into the settings of your device and look for NFC. If you have a Samsung device, this is what it looks like. You go into settings, connections, and then NFC and contactless payments. Just make sure that it is enabled. You can also set up the Google Pay or the Google Wallet as the default payment method, but as long as you open the app after unlocking your device and you physically place your phone near the card reader, the payment will be issued with the card that you selected through the app. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay with Google Wallet in store. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.